Hello and welcome to the next practice session. In this position we are white. Our queen is on the h file. Our rook is also pointing toward the opponent's king. Our bishop can easily join the attack, and within one move the e2 knight can also join the attack, and our f3 knight is also on the king side. So the only piece that is not pointing toward the opponent's rook is this a1 rook. Many times this a1 rook joins the attack later with a check. So even if the a1 rook is not into the attack right now, it's okay, we can start the attack. After a few moves, this rook can join the attack with a check. So you pause the video now and try to find the best move for white in this position. And the answer is rook cross g7 check. Killer blow on the g7 square. And black will play king cross g7. No other choice. In this position, if you try to play a killer blow like queen cross h7, it's not going to work because we don't have a good follow-up. We don't even have a check. So when you are sacrificing something to destroy the pawn cover and to expose the opponent's king, then there must be a good follow-up. There must be a strong series of moves that attacks the opponent's king. In this case, it is not here, so queen cross h7 does not make any sense. That's why here we play rook cross g7 check. Black plays king cross g7. And now again you pause the video and try to find the best move. How should we continue the attack? Pause the video. And the answer is rook to g1 check. We bring this rook into the attack with a check. Now all of our pieces are into the attack. And if you try to play a move like queen to h6, bringing the queen into the attack, then I think it's too early. We should bring those pieces into the attack which are not in the attack. We want to bring a new piece into the attack. The queen was already there and we can use the queen later. In this position, after king to h8, if we play rook g1 trying to checkmate on the g7 square, then black can play rook g8 and try to stop this checkmate. That's why we don't hurry with our queen. And here we play rook to g1 check. If black tries to run away with king f7, then we have queen h5 checkmate. So black has only one option, king h8. And now what should white play? How should white continue the attack? Pause the video and find the best continuation for white. And the answer is knight to f4. A quiet move. Just simply bring one of your piece into the attack. Yes, I know you have sacrificed the rook and you want to checkmate the king right now. But many times it is better to play a quiet move. Just simply bring your knight into the attack. And our threat is we want to go to knight g6 check. And black has various options. Black is on the move and black can let's say try to play like knight e5, covering this square. Okay. Even here, and now here we first exchange this knight and then go to g6 anyway. So king will go to g7 and then we capture the bishop and we also capture the queen in the next move because our rook is giving a discover attack on the black's king. And if black plays d cross e4 trying to attack our knight, we just ignore it. We go knight g6 anyway because we are winning knight cross e7 bishop and we are also winning the queen because of this discover attack. So here black played rook g8. After knight g6 check, black gives his rook cross g6. No other option. And now we play f cross g6. Now our attack plays itself. We simply play logical moves now. We don't need to do anything fancy here. Our attack is just too strong. All of our pieces are in the attack. Queen, rook, we even got a pawn on the g6. We got the bishop, we also got the knight. We also got the local superiority. We have everything that we need in this attack. And look at these pieces. They cannot help the black's king. If black tries to play queen g8, tries to bring the queen into the attack, then we can just play g7 check, winning the queen. In this position, black tries knight f8, trying to protect the h7 checkmate. We simply play g7 check, forking the king and the knight. King g8 and we capture it. King cross f8. And now we play queen cross h7 check. In the next move, our threat is to play rook g8 and the game is over. It's over. And there is no way for black to save the game. If black tries to run away, then also we play rook g8 check. Black cannot play king d7 because then we can win the black's queen. So black must play bishop f8. And now we can attack it. We can play bishop h6. In the next move, we are going to play rook cross f8, checkmate. So if you found all of these moves or some of these moves, congratulations to you. This puzzle was not easy. You had to play some quiet moves and you had to sacrifice the whole rook. So the game was not easy. That's it for this lesson.